Alright, Saber fans. I thought I'd do something. It's an unboxing, yes. But this is largely because I don't necessarily trust eBay. Thought people might find it useful. I purchased an OB Saber from eBay user AnRanFan, and I actually think it might be Parks Sabers. Because that's kind of what the pay power seat was called. And it even comes from a person with the last name Parks. Shipping. If not, then, you know, hey, whatever. But I'm kind of curious if it actually is, in fact, a Parks Saber. Let's see what we got here. Some instructions here. As you can see, not a lot of instructions, mind you, but we have a bag of Greeblies, including the glue-in style red button that the Parks are known for. These are LEDs though, not shine-throughs, so who knows? All right, find out. It's not new in box, which is what the condition was labeled as. I mean, it's in a box, but. I've wanted the OB Saber for quite a long time. Open this. Fine with the packaging. Nice, wrapped fine. All right. It does appear to be a 1-inch. I think it is a Parks. I think we can get some detail on here. You can see the translucent purple. And like I said, it does have the red plunger greebly button that does not screw in, but is glue in. So I think that's actually what I got. And very, very minor scuffing. Not really anything to worry about. Does not have a second set of for the hilt or for the pommel, the squares that aren't drilled, the episode 1 style. So because I think he has more of these for sale as well. So if you're thinking about getting one, it does look like it. Quality seems pretty good. Black CoverTech wheel. Pretty much looks as I would expect. Pretty happy with that. For size comparison, got a Saberforge Bane Mark II here. And a Shoto, I believe that's an Acolyte. Right there. Don't really have any good non-Saberforge hilts in easy reach. But it does have the actual cutaways for the hilt pieces where it cuts away to the aluminum underneath. So it's kind of the three levels of shroud. All in all, pretty happy. It was $119 on eBay, which I think is a good deal. Haven't decided if I'm going to install this or just use one of my lit Saber stands instead. But I'll probably end up installing it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take this off. Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching, and if you were thinking about that eBay purchase, that's what you're going to get.